yesterday we discussed exercise 9.1 and question number first and second. Now today we shall start from the question number third. What is the statement? A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. She prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meters. Top is at a height of 1.5 meter. It means this is the straight line. Next one is and is inclined an angle of 30 degree, and let us suppose this is the slide and this slide is inclined an angle of 30 degree with the ground. 30 degree with the ground, and ground is always a straight line. This one, suppose this is our ground, and on this ground we want to make a slide, and slide is always in this manner. So this is the slide and this ground is the horizontal line, and this height is the, because this slide, they are saying that for the children she prefer to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter. So this is the top of the slide, and the height of this top, height from ground to the top is 1.5 meter. This condition is given to us, and we want to find out what should be the length of slide in each case. Suppose this point is A, B and C. Now which condition we want to find out? In this case we want to find out this length, AC length we want to find out. Okay, AC length, because this is the length of slide. Length of slide we want to find out in each case. So which is the required value? Required value equal to AC. AC we want to find out. This height, because this is the angle, so side opposite to angle is always perpendicular, and the side adjacent to this angle is always base. So this is the base and this is the perpendicular, and hypotenuse we want to find out. So which ratio we will use here? PBP, HHB. Perpendicular is given to us, hypotenuse we want to find out. Perpendicular is given to us, hypotenuse we want to find out. So relation between perpendicular and hypotenuse, that is P divided by H, is always equal to sin theta. Now what is the value of theta here? Theta is 30 degree. So this is equal to 30 degree. Now what is the value of perpendicular? Perpendicular is 1.5 divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse we want to find out AC, and sin 30 degree from the table. What is the value of sin 30? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Now apply cross multiplication. When we apply cross multiplication, 1.5 into 2 is equal to AC, and AC is equal to 3, and what is the unit here? In meter. So AC is equal to 3 meter. In first case, what is the length of the slide? Length of slide is equal to AC, and this is equal to 3 meter. So this is the answer in first case. Now come to the second case. In second case, what condition is given to us? Children, she wants to have a whereas for elder children she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter. Now what is the height? Height in this case is 3 meter. So this is the height, and let us suppose this height is equal to 3 meter. 3 meter and is inclined an angle of 60 degree. Now this is the slide. Now this slide makes an angle of 60 degree with the ground. So this angle is 60 degree. Again, this is the base, and the side opposite to angle is perpendicular, and length of slide, let these points are P, Q and R. So in this case, length of slide again we want to find out. So what is the length? Length is here PR. PR we want to find out. Again perpendicular is given to us, hypotenuse we want to find out. Relation between perpendicular and hypotenuse, that is P divided by H is equal to sin theta. Perpendicular is equal to 3. Hypotenuse is PR. equal to sin theta is sin 60 degree, and sin 60 value is always equal to root 3 divided by 2. So when we take PR to this side and root 3 to it means, or we can say that by cross multiplication, 6 is equal to root 3 times of PR. And what is the value of PR? PR is 6 divided by root 3. After simplification, because always we try to remove square root term from the denominator, so multiply and divide by root 3, then we obtain 6 times of root 3, and root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 2 ja 6. So 2 times of root 3 meter is the length of the slide in second case. It means for elder children, what will be the length of this slide? Length of slide is 2 times of root 3. So this is the answer in second case.